Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. Welcome to more Real Estate Moments by Boothe, where our aim here is to allow you to experience the different properties that I get the privilege of getting access to. My name is Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on Instagram, so head on over there and follow me to see behind the scenes and all the things that I do to make these videos possible for you. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so today's realtor is Miss Crystalee Gayle-Ebanks. She invited us out to her open house in Kingston today, and that's where we're headed. We're going to look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fully furnished home, going for an asking price of just $43 million in the Graham Heights area. I've never been to that area before, but I know it's in the vicinity of Barbican, so I'm looking forward to going there and seeing what this place has to offer for me as a YouTube tourer and for you as a potential homeowner or purchaser of this property. But as per usual, you know my style. I'm going to flip the camera around and just give you guys a time lapse of how to get to this property in case you would like to view this property or you want to make a purchase. All right, so I'm out. Alright, so we're here at Valhalla to look at this fully furnished 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath apartment, and we're gonna go on the inside right now. Alright. Don't hide, you can't hide again. So moving right inside, we have this beautiful mirror here. Mr. Ebanks, don't hide, man. You have this beautiful mirror right here when you make a grand entrance. And of course, we want to talk about the half bath that is situated to your immediate right as you enter. As I said, this is a fully furnished apartment, and we come into, matter of fact, the laundry area that is fully tucked away. You have washer and dryer set up with cold and hot water, your traditional wash tub for those of us who want to do our traditional washing. Let's close that up. And you have an open concept living room right here. Nice couch already here for your convenience. Flat screen TV. Moves right along into a nice balcony space, which gets a lot of natural lighting. As a matter of fact, this entire apartment gets a lot of natural lighting. And we can see a few of the parking spots on the outside here. Lots of plants right here. Greenery is a must. Moving back inside. We come off to the side here where you have this 6-seater dining table. Another large mirror right there for your convenience when you're eating. And we have a lot of windows in this apartment to let in all that natural sunlight that this place captures. A really nice chandelier hanging across. The lovely realtor herself. Well, lovely realtors. But the realtor for this property, Miss Crystalee Gayle-Ebanks. Hi.
Hello.
Tell us a little bit about the property.
So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. So 2.5 because there's a powder room, so it's not a full bathroom. So you have 2 full bathrooms and a powder room, which is why it's 2.5. And yeah, it's 1,650 square feet total. And it's fully furnished, move-in ready, definitely a turnkey property.
Wonderful. All right, so moving into the kitchen area, we have these lovely cabinets on the darker side. I think this is, what color is this?
That's like redwood.
Redwood.
Yeah.
All right, so it's a redwood cabinetry all around. We have this Frigidaire refrigerator here. More cabinetry space to pack out all those lovely things that you buy at the supermarket. We have a microwave for your convenience, a stove, all stainless steel to match these stainless steel finishes on the cabinets. Double bowl sink, water flow, and this is nice. I'll just give you one more look at the kitchen. Boom. And we have these bar stools, just perfectly seated at this breakfast counter area for the kids. Disposal can right there. And we're moving downstairs where the actual bedrooms are. And let's go to our left first, where we have the first of 3 rooms downstairs. A nice bed, storage area for your clothes, air conditioning, which is a must, large windows to let in the natural sunlight, more storage over here for your clothing, and a nice little corner right here. You can possibly build out another storage area. Moving into the shared bathroom for the 2 rooms that are down here that are not the master. Of course, fully functional. Ooh, I like the pull of that faucet right there. Space for your towel to dry your hand when you wash it. Let's open this up, see what's going on. Boom. Your average shower. Things to put your soap, shampoo, and all of that. A toilet, towel rack, toilet paper rack. We have a hamper for your dirty clothes. And let's move into this additional space right here, which is actually an area you can use for additional storage under the step. That is a must. Boom. Hey, look, it's some Christmas items. Christmas is fast approaching, so you can negotiate to keep those things when you make the purchase. There's also an area here for your ironing board and your iron. And this apartment, of course, comes fully equipped with a ironing board and an iron, an additional storage space right there as well. We move into the second of 2 bedrooms that are downstairs besides the master. Air conditioning is on, natural light is out. Another massive window over there. Nice clean white sheets. Additional storage for your clothing is right over here. Come on now, people. You can, I'm pretty sure you can negotiate to get those hangers as well. And of course, we have a drawer right here, fully stocked with white towels. Now let's move into what we actually want to see. The piece de resistance, the master suite. This is a gorgeous bed and I like the color of the sheets. Ties in well with the painting right there and the dark cabinetry that's inside this space. Nice. Let's just move on to the balcony area. As we do that, we see the next air conditioning unit right there. And boom, we're on the outside. And this is a beautiful spell. It's a beautiful space. Definitely a beautiful space. We like these bedside tables, they're nice. And this night light or night lamp is nice as well. Of course, we have the fan too. Carrying along. And we have this large walk-in closet. Very large walk-in closet. It's a nice space. This is a very nice space. I would have a field day in here because I'm a clothes fanatic. I would have it fully stocked out. Moving into the master bathroom, which is an ensuite bath. Of course, the man himself. Let me take the light off me. All right, there I am, big up. Nice mirrors, double vanity sinks. We have a nice toilet bowl, of course, toilet brush, plunger, trash can, and we have this shower right here. Yeah man, let's step inside. Nice, nice. Definitely, boom, very dirty clothes. And essentially, that's really it for this property. So I was actually about to leave just now, but Crystalee told me there's actually a gym here. And you know, if you know anything about me, I like to work out, so that got me excited. So we're now in the gym, and it's equipped with, what's that, 5, 10, 15, 20, and I see some 35s right there. There's an elliptical as well, 2 treadmills. There's also a dip bar for those of us who would like to build those massive triceps. And there's also a station here for you to do pull-up work to build those lats and that massive back. Table tennis table for those of us who can play this game. I've never been able to master that. Someone reach out and give me some advice regarding how to play that game. There's also a station where you can do your bench press. And for those of like myself who has the chest that doesn't necessarily want to get big easily, we have to be killing it on that machine. There's also another elliptical right here, but it looks like it's out of use for now. There's also 2 bicycles, but based on the fact that I see them locked up, I know they're probably for someone who owns an apartment here or is living here. But for the most part, that's the gym. And we're going to head back outside and head to the pool area. So once I get to the pool area, I'll check in back with you guys. So we made it to the pool area, and I can tell you it's a beautiful pool. And even if you don't want to swim, just the sound of the cascading waters is something that's calming and relaxing for me, and really does it for me in terms of brightening my mood. And it wouldn't be a fully furnished apartment tour if I didn't just, oh yes, get on the bed. If you know what I mean. You got to make yourself at home, feeling comfortable. Matter of fact, let me come right here. Yes, it's a nice feel. I could move into this place right now. And speaking of which, this place is certainly moving ready. You can reach out to Miss Crystalee Gayle-Ebanks if you want to make a purchase. And I'm pretty sure she'll bring you along, give you the tour herself, so you can make that purchase and be confident in your buy. And I'm pretty sure if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Kingston, you would definitely like this property. Again, it's going for an asking price of $43 million. So just reach out to Miss Crystalee. Her contact information will be in the description below. This has been another Real Estate Moments by Boothe. AB signing out.